We have former Secretary Pete Buttigieg coming to Sanford. Such an incredible opportunity to hear from him. When I first saw he was coming, I got so excited.
And with that, let me introduce our amazing speaker for the day.
This is such an unparalleled opportunity and experience. I mean, these folks have worked at the highest ranking offices and arguably the most powerful positions in the world in politics and policymaking. And to have the opportunity to ask them questions and hear from them about what it's like really being in the room, tackling these complex problems is just, I think, the best way to learn policy.
In current times, discussions are hard, and it is an easy thing to choose to tune out. But at the end of the day, it's very important for us to have a range of perspectives because we all have different lived experiences, and we're all bringing different things to the table.
Every important social change, all of the big ones, in some way or another were led by young people. You do not have to be old enough to be in office to be shifting, guiding the trajectory of this country, and it starts right here.
My experience at Sanford has definitely helped me engage more with government and democracy in general, and I think that's something that Sanford really excels at. I feel like Sanford is giving me the skills to turn my passions and dreams into a reality in the world.